Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add GIF on your Instagram story. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you are signed or logged in with your account, and then we just need to slide your screen. If you are stay in home section, slide your home screen into the right side so that you will have an access into the Instagram camera for your story sections. And after that, if you already have the media or the content that you want to upload, you just need to go click this part to access your photo library. Just go click the picture that you want to choose for the Instagram story. You can also resizing it by drag with two of your finger. And after that, to add the GIF, you just need to go click this seconds button on the top part. And after that, you just need to scrolling down and you will find a GIF there. So you just need to simply click it. And you can just search what type of GIF that you want to have here. Let's say you want to have a coffee. And here we go. There will be a lot of coffee GIF that you can use for your content. And you can place it in the specific part that you want to have. And after you're done, you just need to go click add to your story and you are done. So that's the way how to add a GIF on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.